Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix your apps stuck on loading on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you try to download and install an app and after that you see an app you have recently downloaded or updated as stuck on loading, and how you can fix that. For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection, and after that you have to simply turn on the airplane mode for some seconds, and after that you have to simply turn it off again. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on that app and you have to try to pause and resume again, and after that you have to check whether that app has started to downloading or not. If the problem is still there and that app has not started downloading or updating, so you have to simply click on the app store here, and here you have to simply search for that app. For example, I am searching for the Chrome app, and here you will find the option of that app and you have to simply click on that, and you have to try to restart the downloading, and after that you see that if that download option has shown again, that means that app has been again restarted to download. So you have to wait for some time so that it has been downloaded on your iPhone iOS 26, and after that you will be able to download that app. So here you can simply see that now it has started downloading on your iPhone iOS 26. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.